What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please know that this is not financial advice. You can do whatever you like with your money. And that being said, let's take a sip of coffee from my Casper Maxi mug. Everything, guys, everything tastes better with Casper. Excuse me. Apologize for the noise. I'm in the parking lot right now trying to fix my car, trying to work on my car. But anyways, today we better do the same thing we do every day. Try to check on the markets, see how the 24 hours, how the market has been performing. Check on our positions. You can follow along, compare, and see whether we're going up, down, sideways, however things are happening. And we also trying to check on the price in a little bit details, although there's not much that has changed. But like I say, it's a good habit to always keep your eyes on the price details. Anyways, before we do that, guys, the market does not shoot up in a straight line. It does not. Market does not shoot up. There is always, okay, when we have in a bull run, there is day traders. There is people that trade based on support and resistances. There is black swan events. There are things that happen. Okay, so that's why you have to keep an account in all that stuff. So far, I'll give you an example. Like Bitcoin right now, if you zoom out on Bitcoin on the overall chart, you will see that Bitcoin is doing exactly, excuse me, is doing exactly what it's supposed to do. Let me show you right quick. Let me go here, trading view. Let's search BTC. Okay, what am I going to use? I can use a Bitcoin rate. I want to use Bitcoin USD. That would be better. Let me see. Yeah, we better use Bitcoin USD. Let me cover this indicator right quick. Good. Now we got to go to the highest time frame on here, which is on the weekly. Okay, look at Bitcoin on the weekly. Do you see what is happening? Everybody is busy panicking, and guys, this is the all time since the creation of Bitcoin. You can see, let me close this. You can see, even look, first bull run, price always have that resistance. We go down to the bear market, we try to break above it, go to the next time all-time high, come back to the bear market, touch this support line, go up. And that's exactly what's happening right now with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is trying to break that all-time high, but on the process, we're not going to go in a straight line. We're going to have this, see, down, up, down, up, down, up. And when you zoom out, it's forming some kind of ascending triangle. That's what's happening right now. And by the way, if you zoom out a little bit, you will see that Bitcoin right now is forming an inverse head and shoulder. Okay, shoulder, head, and the second shoulder is getting formed already. So yeah, I don't know why people are panicking. It's like people always see every little thing Bitcoin does, the normies start to jump. The normies start to jump. Things happen that you can't control. Okay, the price was doing perfectly good until the war broke out, took another level. What happened? Oil prices, the countries that produce oil in the Middle East, they decided no, they are not going to ship more oil. Price drop on oil, and it was like a chain reaction of things happening. Again, does not cause for an alarm, because if you can see it, which as we're about to look in a few minutes, price has already started to recover. Okay, it has already started to recover, and when you are ready for it, like we always say, I told you guys, Quant was gonna get rejected at $72. Okay, excuse me. And that's exactly what happened. Price went up and it got rejected. Anyways, let's look at the market right quick, because like I'm telling you guys, the market does not go up in a straight line. We're in the first gear, which is after the Bitcoin halving, and right now we are on the second gear. The market always take that second gear. There's a breather. There are people that trade the Bitcoin halving. Those people are getting their money out right now. So the market is gearing up right now for the second gear, then the third, the fourth, and the fifth. And before you know it, all-time high comes. So yeah, that's what is happening right now. Do not panic sell your coins. Do not do that, because you are going to either buy them back at a higher price or miss out on a very good price action. Anyways, now let's go look at the crypto bubbles right quick. We go here, crypto bubbles right here. Look at this, guys. See, for the past 1 day, this is what is happening. Everybody's bearish, but look, for the past 1 hour, the whole market has started to recover again. Okay, we're gonna go with King Casper, KAS. We got here Casper. We up 0.4% in the last hour, 1.7% down in the last day, 4.2% up on the week, 13.4% down on the month, and 381% up on the year. We look at QNT right quick. Quant, we're up 0.3% on the last hour, 4.5% down on the day, 7.3% up on the week. Guys, look at that number. And we also we're down 9.5% on the month, and on the year, guys, look at the number again, 35.2%. Numbers dropping. Like I told you guys, it will happen. Now let's look at Jasmy, JASMY. We're down, we are up 0.5% in the last hour, 7.5% down on the day, 1.8% up on the week, 33.9% down on the month, and 530% up on the year. Now, I told you guys yesterday everything that was happening, and if you pay attention, or probably if you also went and double check everything, you will not be panicking right now. Like I said, Quant was gonna get rejected at Quant was gonna get rejected at $72, and that's exactly what happened. Jasmy, I'm still bearish on Jasmy until we cross that 2.3 cent, because that 2.3 cents is a very big resistance, and exactly that was happening. But anyways, it's better. Let's go look on the price with more details right quick. So I'm gonna take my trading view. Now let's start with King Casper, KAS, on here, right there, and we're gonna go on the 4-hourly right quick. See, I'm gonna zoom out a little bit. Exactly like I told you guys will happen. Look at this, price went up. Okay, we broke above it, and I told you guys this resistance right here is huge. We broke above, came back to retest. The black swan event happened. We broke below the resistance again. But now look, we're still getting supported by the ribbon. And also now what I'm expecting price to do is to reverse, come back, retry to break above it. There's a double resistance now, because the 200 moving average is there, and this 16.8, 16.9 resistance is also there. So Casper is gonna need to work double time to break these two resistances all at once. Now if you zoom out, you will see that Casper is forming a bull flag. Look at that. This is the pole, okay, and that is the flag. Before you know it, by the time we break out, the measurement from here to here, if you put it whatever we break out, is going to take Casper above that all-time high. We're talking about probably 22 to 23 cents. That is where this price action is going to go once we break out of here. So let's see, if you go on the 1-hourly, it's even showing even better. Look at that. Look at the 1-hourly. On the 1-hourly, we are getting supported by the moving average. Okay, we are getting sandwiched. Sooner than later, we are about to see this go and try this again, go above the moving ribbon and go above this resistance. Okay, so that's what I'm telling you guys. There's no point to panic, because all this right now is just temporal. The market is just shifting to the second gear. Okay, now let's go try again. Let's go look at Quant right quick. Looking at Quant QNT. Quant QNT. There you go with Quant QNT. You guys remember yesterday, I will say it again, I told you guys it was going to happen. So when you zoom out, let's excuse me, when you zoom out, you will also see it right there. Like I told you guys, $72 was a very big resistance. So look at that. We got rejected right there. Okay, the only thing that surprised me, I wasn't expecting price to come all the way down. I was expecting probably was gonna ride this ribbon and go retry it again. But you all know what happened. The black swan event happened. Price went all the way down. So the lowest it could go is probably going to retest the $65 and then start the leg up to go and retry that $72 again. Hopefully this time I'm pretty sure Quant is going to break that $72 and keep climbing to the upside. Okay, so those are things that you guys have to be calculating. Yesterday I gave you guys the scenario, and that was exactly what happened. Those of you who probably did the day trading, you would have put a short right here, you would have made you some substantial amount of money. Although I do not recommend shorting an asset during the bull run. I don't recommend that. Anyways, now let's go look at Jasmine right quick. And before we do that, before we look at Jasmine, you're going to look at this again. I will repeat it one more time. Look at this. There is no point for you to be bearish on Quant, because look at what the MACD and RSI is, guys. This is what you need to pay attention right now. Pay attention to these things, because they are already flipping bullish. That means price action for Quant is about to take off. When I mean take off, this thing is about to run like oh my god, you don't even know. You don't have idea of what is going to happen in a record time. Anyways, now let's go look at Jasmine right quick. Okay, now let's go back here. Jasmine, JASMY. Again, like I told you guys yesterday, I am still a little bit bearish on Jasmine. Why? Because these 2.3 cents, we're on the 4 hours. Okay, we are on the 4 hours. Here. This 2.3 cents is a very strong resistance. I need to see Jasmine break 2.3 cents on the short term for me to be bullish on the short term. So far so good. We've been trying. Jasmine has been trying. If I zoom out, see, you can see Jasmine has been trying time after time to try to break it. That's one, that's two. This time we broke it, but yet got rejected. We're back down again. So yeah, I'm expecting Jasmine to break this. So far, I think it's going to look like it's going to form a W pattern. If you form a W, that is a very, very bullish pattern. Because, like, guys, this W is what is going to take Jasmine to that 3.8 to 4 cents. Okay, so yeah, there's not much to be said on Jasmine so far until we see this break that until we see the price break this 2.3. Although like I was just looking at their Jasmine, their news. Their CEO Hara came out and said something big was gonna get announced sometime probably in 48 hours or something. I don't know what it is. Maybe that is the catalyst that the price needs to break out of this of that 2.3 cents and start to run like a mad dog. Well, all we got to do right now is just sit and wait, and we can see what they're talking about. Okay, usually when they do that, price usually run. The last time they did it was when Jasmine was below 1 cent, and we saw the price like really take off. Excuse me. So guys, now market being in second gear, again, it gives you an opportunity. For those of you who said they missed the boat, it gives you an opportunity to 5x, 10x, or even 20x your money. Again, I do not condone leverage trading, only if you know what you're doing. Okay, below I have the links. You can sign up. Once you do, you can then either follow me, follow somebody else, or do you. The important thing is that you're making money. But anyways, let's go look at my positions right quick. Since this black swan event happened, a lot of people think maybe I got decimated. No, guys, I did not get decimated, because guys, I plan way ahead of time. I look at the charts, I look at everything, and to see how things are going to affect me. So let's go look at my Bydfi first. If I go here, my Bydfi right there. I'll let it open up for a little bit. As you know, yeah, I was up $12,000 or something like that. As you can see, I'm down $10,000 right now. Again, not worried about a thing, because guess what? Everything is going to go in the next 2 to 3 months. We are going to see this position take off like you've never seen before. You're looking at the contracts, okay? Looking at the contracts on my Casper, I am still up 4%, which is almost $100. At my quant, I am still up 8%, which is almost $600. That, yeah, the price really dropped, because at $72 my position, I was up almost $2,000. But you gotta pay attention to this. I am not worried about price action, because my liquidation is $35. I don't think this thing is going to $35. See what I'm talking about? Liquidation for my Casper is 13 cents. I don't think Casper is going to 13 cents. It's not happening. So yeah, you guys have to look at the gains that will happen from now 2 to 3 months. I think, guys, I'm taking a quant is going to break. Probably, I think in 2 to 3 months we're about to see quant break above $300. So once we see that, let's say for example $300, this position will make me $59,000. You see what I'm talking about? That's why I'm not worried about it. Price action is about to start taking place. So I know from experience, I know the market is right now shifting into the second gear. I'm not worried about it. Now let's go look at my Phemex right quick. Phemex, let load up. Okay, let's look at overall first. See, I'm not worried. You guys know my overall yesterday or something like that, it was around $16,000. Here we're down 14,700. Still, I'm not worried about it. Looking at my contracts, if you go here, my Jasmine, I am down 15%. Again, like I say, I am still bearish on the short term until we break that price. That is why my Jasmine is down 15%, which is negative 1,700. My Casper is doing a little better. It's up 2%, which is $125. Okay, but you gotta look at this. I'm not like I said, price action, I'm not looking at it. Look at this. My liquidation, okay, if you look at my liquidation, it's below 1 cent for Jasmine. I'm not worried about it. My liquidation is at 10 cents for Casper. I'm not worried about it. These things are going to start reversing. Like for example, look at again. I give you a perfect example with Jasmine. By the time Jasmine goes back to 4 cents, this position is going to make me $13,000. See what I'm talking about? That is just 4 cents. If we go to 10 cents, this position is going to make me $63,000. You see that? Now look at Casper right quick. Look at Casper. By the time Casper, I'm telling you, we're going to 40 cents. By the time Casper hits that 40 cents, this position will make me $18,000. Now with the all listings, if the listings begins and Casper goes to $1, this thing will make me $66,000. So yeah, I'm playing the long game here. Yeah, I am playing the long game because it's coming. And I'll say it again, the market just shifted to second gear. And if you keep second guessing yourself, you are going to miss. You are going to miss big time. That's what I'm saying, guys. Market does not go up in a straight line. There are breathers. That's why I like to do season trades. That way I don't have to worry about this price action right now. Anyways, that being said, guys, please subscribe, share, and comment. It wouldn't hurt for us to get at least 500 likes on these videos. Okay, again, when you share it, the YouTube pushes it into people that are like-minded, like you and me, and then we can trade ideas. Please comment. I like to read your comments. I'll try my best to reply to all of them. Okay, and that being said, guys, until I see you in my next one, please take care of yourself, and bye bye.